Well, the winds are picking up, folks. It's the 19th of January. Still early morning, and I didn't see a wind warning for our southern Gulf Islands, but there is definitely a wind warning for the northwest coast of the Big Island and the northern islands, Haida Gwaii. But here in the southern Gulf Islands, it is going to be windy. There's westerlies blowing. It's 8 degrees Celsius and on the rise. And hopefully our power won't go out. And also hopefully it won't be anything like that hurricane we had on December 20th. It's kind of freaky when you see winds like this now. Our power was out for 4 days with that one. See the eucalyptus trees in the front there. 100 foot, nearly 100 feet tall, those ones. It's a mild wind coming off the west. So it's a typical winter day here in the southern Gulf Islands of Canada. Should get up to about 10 degrees. Just light rain falling right now. Keeps those palm trees green.